Hello, breakfast today. I've got those pickled cucumbers and just a little bit of tomatoes in there with the pickled in the vinegar. And I've got my 6 ounces of ground beef. I have 14 grams of the queso cheese. So that's in there. And then I have half of a tortilla. And I'm going to do like yesterday and just break it up in little pieces and eat it out with the spoon. So that's going to be my breakfast today. The pickled veggies and my ground beef with cheese and tortilla shell. I think I have two, so I have 3 more halves of the tortilla shells left up to use. So yeah, when they're gone, they're gone. I don't intend on buying any more. So that's what I'm having. Lunch today is 7 ounces of sirloin and 200 grams of zucchini. That's my lunch today. All right, for supper I have 7 ounces of loin and pork loin, and that's mixed in with the root vegetables. Hang on, let me pull it out here. Those are the root vegetables that I got at the Walmart. They were frozen. I bought them a while ago, and so I'm just trying to use things up that are in my freezer. So, yep, 7 ounces of pork loin. That is beets, carrots, sweet potatoes, and then I added some asparagus with it. So I'll have that all plugged in, and that is my supper tonight. I just took the dogs for a walk, and they got to meet some people, so they are happy, and I'm happy, and now I'm going to be even more happy when I eat. Whoop, whoop. That pork loin, that is the one that I sauteed up probably 2 weeks ago. Because I haven't even gotten to the stuff that I made last week, I don't think. So yeah, that's how my rotation is. So this is, I made these I think 2 weeks ago. And I won't be making anything this weekend. Let me show you why. All right, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hang on. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So wait a minute. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, that's right. So I've got enough to get me through Saturday. So not Saturday 2 days from now, but Saturday next Saturday. And by the same token, I've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I have plenty of already made up food, so I will not meal prep this weekend. That's the benefit of meal prepping, man. I won't have to cook for 2 solid weeks. Whoop, whoop. Here's my macros for the day. Of course, the root veggies are pretty high, but that's what I had for the day. Keeping it honest.